Hello, in this video we are going to try to learn how to solve equation in the form of u power m over n equals k. So before I jump into solving those type of problem, let me first try to review what we know. We know that if I have x square equals 4, I can write x equals plus minus square root of 4. Now let me try to write it in a different manner, which is like plus minus 4 power 1 over 2. So this is exactly same as square root. Now look at one thing. I can say my power is x power 2 over 1. So you see what happened here, the numerator 2 become denominator 2, and here denominator 1 become numerator 1. And also one thing, when I have 2, that means this is an even number, then even power, then I have a plus minus in the solution. I have a plus minus. Okay, now let us look at the other one. When I have x cube equals, let's say, 8, then x is actually simply going to be cube root 8, which is equals 8 power 1 over 3, which is actually only 2. Now one thing to note again, you can see I can have 3 over 1, so as you can see it flipped 1 over 3. Now another thing to note is when this is odd, that means this is 3 or 5 or 7, that power is odd, then there is no plus minus sign in front of the solution. Okay, there is no plus minus sign. Okay, so this is just only some thing we can remember. So now let's look at here. If m is odd, if m is odd, then what would be solution for this? U power m over n equals k. The solution u would be simply equals k power n over m. So it flipped. Okay, and there is no plus minus sign, so this is the solution. Now if m is even, then the solution for u power m over n equals k is going to be u equals, I'm going to have plus minus k power n over m. Okay, so these are the two formula we are going to use to solve problem. So let us try to solve two problem at least. So the first problem is I have 2 multiplied by 2x minus 1 power 1 half, no, power 3 half. Okay, so let me erase this. So power 3 over 2 minus 30 equals 24. Okay, so this is the problem. So let us try to solve. So first of all, what I am going to do is, as you can see, I have the equation is u power equal to something constant. So in this case I'm going to try to make sure that my constants are all on the right hand side. So what are going to be my constant? I have 24, and if this negative 30, here it comes to positive 30. Okay, and which is equal to what? 54. So what is 54? 2x minus 1 power 3 over 2. Now again, another thing to look here is with u I have no coefficient. So here if I consider this as u, so I want to make sure that I get rid of the 2. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to divide the both side by 2. So I can write 2x minus 1 power 3 over 2 equals 54 over 2. 54 over 2 becomes 27. Okay, now let's see. So this is my u power m over n. So in this case my m is 3, so my m in this case is 3. So m is what? M is odd. So odd means in the solution, so what is going to be? So 2x minus 1 is going to be what? 27 power, it is 3 over 2, so here it will be 2 over 3. Remember, I'm not going to have any plus minus because m is odd. Okay, so let's see how we can solve or simplify it. 27 I can write as 3 cube power 2 over 3, and again I can write it down as 3 cube multiplied by 2 over 3. So you can see these three cancel out, so I am left with 3 square. So 3 square is equal to 9. So this is what? 2x minus 1 is equal to 9. So I can write down 2x equals 9 plus 1, which is equals 10. So I can write x equal to 5. So this is my solution for this particular problem. Okay, of course we need to check this solution in this equation, but if you check, it is going to work. Okay, so make sure you check it, check the solution x equal to 5 in this equation. Okay, so this is our first problem. Okay, so let us try to solve our second problem. So the problem is 3x minus 1 power 2 over 3 plus 5 equals 9. Okay, again, so I'm going to try to put the constant on the other side. So 9 minus 5 equals 4. Okay, and this is what? 3x minus 1 power 2 over 3. Okay, now I am going to, so look at here one thing. Here my m is equal to 2. So 2 means what? It's an even number. Okay, so this is even. So when I'm going to write the solution 3x minus 1, I'm going to have a plus minus sign here, and 4 power 2 over 3 becomes 3 over 2. Okay, so all good. So let's try to simplify the other side. So 4 I can write as 2 square, and the power I have what? Power I have 3 over 2. So 2 to cancel out, so I am left with 2 cube. So it is plus minus 2 cube, so it is plus minus 2 cube is 8. So what is 8 plus minus 8? 3x minus 1 is plus minus 8. So let's write it down separately. So one solution is 3x minus 1 is plus 8, and another solution is 3x minus 1 equals minus 8. So in this case I have 3x equals 9, so x equals 3. So this is one solution. What is the other solution? Here I have 3x equals negative 7 and x equals negative 7 over 3. So if you check both 3 and negative 7 over 3 in this original equation, you are going to find both solution work. So what are my solution set then? So my solution set is 3 negative 7 over Okay, so that's the way we solve this type of equation. Okay, so in the next video we're going to try to learn how to solve quadratic type of equation. Okay, so